Heading out to work today? Max is ready for action.
See, he's working already.
Looks like you're a pro. All you need is a little organizer.
Ryan, could you get dressed, please?
The big day. Big Ryan and Big Max. Big Ryan and Little Max. And beautiful mama.
Did you see my purse? John, did you take my purse out of the car?
Nope.
Do you see it there, Ryan?
Is it in the back?
No.
I think you left it at home, dear.
The bag? Oh, wait, it's up here. Can I have that, please?
There it is. Crisis averted. My favorite new saying in the Millspa family. Here's Ryan. Max is ready to brush his teeth with his Punger's toothbrush. Brush your tongue, Max. There you go. Punger's. Oh, they hunked.
Oh.
Hunky hunky.
Say hello.
Say hi to your teacher, Ryan. Secret to her success. Ah, how lovely. Like a little angel. Come on, Ryan, get out of the car. I thought you got it.
No, it was right on your...
Hurry. She's a little, oops, little angel. And a little angel.
A little terror monster.
A little terror. Now he's cleaning the car with his toothbrush. Max is ready to start at Kent Landsberg.
Here, Max, let's put your jacket on. Come on, Max. Okay, all right, come on.
Doors locked? Yes. Okay, let's go. Ryan's looking good in that black double-breasted suit. Looks like Ricky Martin. Take care of business. Taking care of business.
Ryan and Papa? Come on.
Oh, Max. We got our jackets on, look. Ryan, hold his hand. That's better.
Over here.
The big day has arrived. Those little shoes. Everyone's getting their picture taken already. And the cameras are going wild.
Okay. All right.
Little darlings.
gonna be buzzing here next week.
We didn't comb Max's hair.
As combed as it gets.
Here comes Jake.
Hey, Jake.
Hey, Robin. Hey, you showed up. Just teasing you.
Hey, remember her?
I got Mary now. Thank you. Oh, yeah. You know which restaurant we're going at.
Look at that hair.
Picture with you and Ryan.
It's like plastic. And we aren't going
Yeah,
anywhere.
take a picture of you and Jake.
Three Stooges. Larry, Mo, and Curly. Mo is their leader. Max. Hey, Max. Too hot for the jacket? Rangers. Hiya.
My husband, John.
Hi.
You, pretty hot, isn't it? The other day.
Uh-huh. Nice to see you again. So should we be lining up here?
Did they call you guys?
I don't know. Should we get back there? They're gonna. Guess we're at the end of the line. We're at the end of the line.
So are we.
Yeah. She's first.
There you go.
She's first. They're first. A brand new thing down there, brand new building. Pretty cool.
Catherine Sanchez.
Lots of little shoes.
Jacob Sandoval. Chelsea Smith.
What do you think, Ryan?
How tall this?
Here, just put it here. Put it over here.
You help Mom
Say.
to get Max. She's running after him.
It's like a Kosovoan refugee. Well, here we are.
Here we are.
I guess they don't stop surfing in the rain.
Nope.
What the heck? They're in the water anyway. What difference does it make? Surfer girl. Max loves this little fountain here. There he is. Crazy Max. Loco Maxito. In the rain. On your wedding day.
You do volunteer. You have to get closer.
Yes, well, I don't think you're.
Is that from the film?
No, that's a sprinkler. Stand it over here.
Yeah.
It's raining where you are.
I know. Where should I go?
Well, it should be okay over here. These guys are gonna play anyway. I'm gonna let you get. Just yeah, stand right here, Ma. Where I am.
Oh, she's going.
Huh?
She's going to have.
All right.
I don't go to that.
Let's roll around in some puddles.
Every once in a while, it's great. Something here.
Wacky
You
weather.
can put something in here. Walnuts in it. What is this, water?
I didn't know you said raspberry. I said.
You want me to do it for you?
A little wet.
But very good. I love it.
Hey, if you want to take the
over here.
You know, is that
Max,
that's all
you
music?
think that would keep her quiet for a while?
Out of control. Oh, he ate it.
Covered up the cake, you know that? Anna Marie
That's
did.
the blow. You're showing.
Now when he, oh, Max.
Covered it up, yeah.
Now when he hiccups, he's gonna have bubbles.
Maybe you didn't have too much. Yeah, there was an
So he hiccuped so
Hope I got that on tape. There's $10,000 right there.
Nobody left.
Max, hiccup.
No one's left. I think everyone's happy, buddy. You go out there and enjoy
It'd be
it.
funny if he hiccuped.
Hey, wait a
Put him
minute.
at a heat lamp. He won't stay.
Take his pants off.
Call your wife. Call your wife.
He figures his diaper's wet. What the heck?
No, come over here.
He just wants to take a picture.
He's waving at
Everybody's getting it. Come on over here, Jess.
Lady Mary.
Everybody's getting it.
Take a picture.
Hey, you want a drink?
No, I have to. I have
We wanted to get you when you weren't prepared.
Now.
I did get you.
Lucky Max.
They're right there.
A little wet. Huh?
Hey, you know
Tell
what?
me, so far he rolled in a puddle and drank some soapy water.
No.
What will we do for an encore?
Beautiful. No one left, and they're all drinking more.
There you go.
You got blood.
Hey, I think it's just black.
Well, I'll tell you, it's been a long time since I had this much fun. I mean it.
Steve Allen? Is that Steve Allen? Go easy on that, Max. You've had too many of those martinis.
Did you make this food? Did you make this? Yeah.
Brian, Max has had too many martinis. It's not like he isn't wet or anything.
No, Max.
No. This is done. They want them done. You know what I mean?
John, I can't wrestle it.
Want me to grab that away from him? Sure. He's always wanted every wedding. Crazy Max. Loco Maxito. At the bicho.
Yeah, but it's cool. She just said, you know what?
There's Ryan. One's eating and one's rolling around in the wet grass.
I see.
When's your what?
I say you're going to eat.
Wow, the food does look good.
I'm waiting for Aunt Joe. She went to the back now.
I had to roll around in the wet grass. No, don't touch the camera. Little photography baby. Put on your glasses. Show us how cool you are. Oh, Max. Here, Papa, move. Boy, if it's in your sight, drives you crazy. Sun came out. We're chilly. Sun just broke through. We have the dryer going here. We have the pants and the shoes and the shirt and the shirt. Socks probably fell in. Hey there. As soon as those socks are dry, we're back in business. Match. He's ready to do more partying.
This was your job. You're supposed to be watching him.
Oh, okay. You told me to go eat, so I ate.
Yeah,
All
well,
right.
you're not eating now, are you?
No, now I will watch him. Are they off? All right, I'll go get him.
Right up there, just hiding because
Ah, thank you. Whoop. Bad baby. You're a bad baby. Okay. I got my help here. They pointed him out to Brian, don't do that. He's gonna get all wet. No wrestling, okay?
Oh, at home?
No wrestling. It's too wacky as it is.
It's not carpet and it's not grass. And it's not...
And Ryan, stay away from that because he's gonna want to go in there. Two chillin' guys.
I just sit here and Max pushing me in.
Please get away from that. Put your wave, dude. The most beautiful woman I've ever seen at the beach. Surfer girl. No, Max. There's little wet shoes. Can you climb the tree? The evil genius, Maximo Spa. Evil.
Go get.
Oh, there's our drinks. They're still there from the rain. Max is taking up the lead, and he's holding up the back end.
The music's nice.
Huh?
The music's nice.
Let's dance, baby. Baila. That's, little kitties.
David was really cute. It was really nice.
Who is he related to?
I asked him. I just said, are you on the side of the bride or the groom? And he didn't know.
I don't think he's part of the wedding, because I saw him come in later. Maybe his father may work here or something.
That's what I thought.
So it was fun. Having a good time.
My feet are...
But they're so beautiful.